For the past year, I've noticed that there's been many changes in the temperature and change and the climate change specifically going there. But for example, in December, I was really excited to wear my new sweater, my new pants, and like my boots, right? But instead, I was wearing a t-shirt, shorts, and my sandals. I asked myself, what's going on? What's going on with this whole world? Why is there so many changes around us? Why is this happening? And I was like, could this be global warming? Probably, right? Well, right now you guys are probably asking yourself, why should I care about this global warming? Why should I listen? Or why should I even pay attention to this girl? And, well, according to my child, Jared, a professor actually here at Cal State LA, from the Department of Environment, Health, Science, reported that everyone's health is emitted air, so it's affected everyone on every small risk and can translate into major burdens of diseases. Because I have spent several hours researching the state, right, I'm capable to talk to you about this whole important situation about the climate change. Today we'll be talking about this the environment and how it's affecting air pollution and it's affecting the whole world by many stuff. By first letting you know the problems, the solutions, and the costs. And which brings me to my first point. What is air pollution? Air pollution, it occurs when gases, dust, particles, fuels, and other particles are introduced into the atmosphere in ways that can make it harmful for humans, animals, and plants. Carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, is the main pollutant that is warming the earth. Through the living things emit carbon dioxide when it breathes. Carbon dioxide is widely considered to be potent. Carbon dioxide is a colorless, odorless, and highly toxic gas that forms during the complete compaction of carbon connecting materials. And these activities involve burning of fossils, fuels, such as gasoline, natural gases. In the past 150 years, such activities as plumbing enough carbon dioxide into the atmosphere has raised levels higher than have been almost 100,000 years. Air pollution is one of the most serious problems in the world. It refers to the contamination of the atmosphere by harmful chemicals and by particle materials. According to the world's largest polluted places by Blacksmith, and instituted in 2008, two of the worst pollution problems in the world are urban and air quality and indoor pollutions. To solve the problem of air pollution, it's necessary to understand the issue of how we can approach it. Air pollution causes damage to crops, animals, forests, and sun UV rays. Another negative effect of this, which protects the earth. Another negative effect of air pollution is formed of acid rays, which harms trees, soils, rivers, and wildlife. Some of the other environmental effects of air pollution and haze and the global climate changes. Because of all these problems, it is affecting the people in numbers of ways. Since air pollution is decreasing in some parts of the world, it's affecting the people more than others. According to Isaiah, a writer of CNN, published in 2015, September 16, she reported that globally more than 3 billion people died each year exposure of air pollution, according to the World Health Organization. Resident energy emissions, fossils, and we're taking heat, especially in India, China, and had leading causes from mercury and air pollution deaths to the eastern U.S., Europe, Turkey, Korea, and Japan. Now that I've talked about the problems, I move on to the issues. Instead of seeing the blue skies in satellite images, for example, this one, according to the studies of the Environment Program, have found masses of dark brown clouds of pollution stretching across of India and the heart of China. Clouds containing small particles of dust, smoke, and ashes resulting from dots of dirty burning fossils. As we can see, it's affecting the temperature in most of the world. This occurs when all cold trends are transported into the high altitudes by evaporating and winds from tropical and temperate areas through the atmosphere to the Earth's polar areas, happening mostly during the winter. This brings me to my next main point, which is the solutions. Some of the solutions we can provide in outdoor air pollution, especially in society, would be to sharply revise emissions from oil coal burning power and industry plants. Personally, we could also help out by walking more, biking, or using public transportation, because many of the air pollution is caused by automobiles. So, in conclusion, the problem is being naturalized problem because of the climate change and how it is affecting the living people and animals. Second cause, we can destroy Earth by companies, cars, planes, and etc. But last, we need to be willing to give some of our effort to do anything, because anything can change. Anything can make a difference to this world. Thank you.